Okay guys, welcome back to the Isometric exercise library for the Superhuman Strength Protocol. Today we're going to be going through the isometric bent over row demonstration. Now with this, again, we're going to be using the fixed fork lifting strap, but this does work for any other fixed resistance. So again, we've got our midfoot over the top of the strap, trapping it in place. And all we're going to do here is assume a position very similar to the isometric stiff leg deadlift. So we want to make sure we're in that hip hinge position, getting our torso more or less parallel to the ground if we can. And with this, the only way it differs from the stiff leg position is there's going to be a little bit more knee flexion, so a little bit more knee bend, because we want to make sure that we can start with our elbows slightly bent. Main reason being is we want to get the action of the shoulder blades and we want to get the action of the pulling motion within the upper body. And I find that this is much easier for people to cue if there's a slight degree of elbow flexion. As you can see in the video, I'm trapping the strap in place. I'm keeping my chest up, make sure that I'm getting that neutral spine position, and then when I pull, I'm bending the elbows and aiming to squeeze the shoulder blades back. Okay, so that's the main focal point on this one, and how it differs from any of the lower body exercises is this time we're applying the force with our upper body and aiming to pull the strap up towards you. You're going to hold this for the allotted amount of time and at the specified intensity. And again, the bent over row version is very beneficial as it allows us to coordinate the hip hinge or the posterior chain along with some of the upper body muscles, but the suitable alternative for most people will be the isometric seated row that you'll see in another video.